wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best bowling shoes for men. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. As long as you don't care too much about the appearance of your footwear, the BSI Basic 521 will serve you well. They sacrifice almost every aspect of their aesthetics to bring you an option that's purely functional with no flash. They're a great bargain choice with rubber outsoles. However, the tongues tend to slip out of place. At number 9, given the traditional design and elegant high-contrast stitchwork, you might be surprised by the incredibly reasonable price tag on the BSI 751-10. They fit true to size as well, so you don't have to worry about a lot of exchanges. The interiors break in fast, and the EVA midsoles are very lightweight, but the soles take a while to develop slide. Coming in at number 8 on our list, you can take your athletic sense of style to the lanes with the Dexter Kory 2. Their grey and white design looks more like a skater sneaker than anything else, making these a particularly smart choice for the young bowler in your life. They're extremely light and breathable with flat cotton laces. However, they don't deliver the best slide action. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for bowling shoes for men, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, if you're interested in a pair with a little bit of retro styling, you'll probably like the Dexter SST-8. Their white exteriors may take a bit more work to keep them looking like new, but they're flashy enough to distract your opponents. They're equipped with a leather drag protector and a convertible sole for lefties or righties, but they stay stiff for a while. Moving up our list to number 6. The soft man-made uppers on the KR Strikeforce Flyer make for a very comfortable stride all the way to the line, ensuring that nothing interferes with your concentration. They come with a number 8 microfiber slide pad included for each foot. These are available in 4 colors and the soles hold up well, but they can break unintentionally. Halfway up our list at number 5. Just because you spend a lot of time on the lanes doesn't mean you can't be fashionable as well, and the Dexter Kameron 095 are proof of just that. They feature a textile-lined canvas exterior with side vents to keep your feet cool as you roll. The pair weighs only 1 pound and is equipped with comfortably padded collars, but they're not the most durable option. At number 4, the Dexter 9HT feature a molded midsole with a raised shank and heel, providing you with a more old-school feel than some of the more popular modern options. Traditional players will appreciate the design and attention to detail in this pair. They come with breathable mesh uppers and guards. However, the fit is a little roomy. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. Left-handed bowlers who want to get their hands on top-tier kicks need to look no further than the Storm Men's SP2 900. The pair can be configured for righties or for lefties, making this a universal option for anyone looking to hit the lanes. They include high-quality pads and are exceptionally durable, and they break in quickly. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for bowling shoes for men, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the Dexter DX 22551 100P Pro-Am 2 are easily one of the most comfortable pairs on the market, and their price is reasonable enough that you can attain that level of comfort and performance even if you're only a casual bowler. They feature a full fabric lining, a padded tongue and collar, and a sleek black design. And coming in at number 1 on our list, experienced bowlers look to achieve very specific slides for their shots, and the interchangeable pads on the Dexter SST-6LZ allow you to dial in the amount of friction your pair provides, giving you total control over your form. They come with nylon and leather uppers and fit true to size. They're comfortable for long periods. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for bowling shoes for men, or simply click beneath this video.